Was a bit skeptical ordering a chair online out of camping season, because I am heavier set woman. But this chair is great. It's super sturdy and comfortable. Took me a second to figure out, but it's easy to fold. Stores easily, not taking up too much room. I will be buying a few more chairs for summer season. If not this exact one, then the same brand. I weigh 350 lb. And 6 tall. This chair is what I have needed after purchasing 3 or 4 other chairs that either didn't hold up or fit. I finally have a comfortable chair to sit in around the campfire. I even bought one for my wife who weighs half of what I do and is 5 inches 3 tall. I recently had a couple of camping chairs break on me. They were rated to handle my weight, 200 pounds, but were not up to the task. This chair is rated to safely support up to 400 pounds, and from the solid construction I believe that it will easily do that. It is stylish, comfy and easily folds up for carrying or storing in the garage or in the trunk of the car. I have a 5-year-old grandson who likes to sit on my lap. He weighs about 60 pounds now, so I no longer need to worry that the chair I'm sitting in is going to break under that extra weight. Highly recommend this chair. Click link in description for more reviews.